So today we will discuss a new chapter coordination compounds. ठीक है, तो हम coordination compounds discuss करेंगे. So coordination compounds क्या है? It's basically a compound in inorganic chemistry which are having a huge applications. ठीक है, तो ये compounds है, inorganic compounds है chemistry के, और ये काफी ज्यादा हमारी डेली लाइफ में रिलेटेड है. Certain examples are like hemoglobin, which is in our blood, ठीक है, and it contains Fe as a central atom. Then you have chlorophyll, the green pigmenting chemical, which contains magnesium. Then vitamin B12, which contains cobalt. So these are the few important compounds that are being used, and these are complex compounds, coordination compounds. So now what do we mean by coordination compounds? Now coordination compounds are compounds which contains complex ion, which contain complex ion. Now what is complex ion? Complex ion are ionic species, ठीक है, in which central metal is linked with atom or molecules capable of donating electron pair by coordinate bond. So complex ion में एक मेटल होता है जो लिंक हो रहा है मॉलिक्यूल्स या एटम के साथ, और ये मॉलिक्यूल्स और एटम इस तरह के जो अपने लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर मेटल को कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बनाकर ट्रांसफर या शेयर करेंगे. तो यू हैव द आयनिक स्पीशीज, एंड दिस आयनिक स्पीशीज इन विच यू हैव अ मेटल M with molecule or atom denoted by L. कितने भी हो सकते हैं ये, and this is either a positive charge or a negative charge. So this is a general representation of a complex ion. So complex ion contains a metal along with the ligand. This ligand means atom or molecule which are able to donate electron pair, and here the electrons are being utilized. The electrons that are being shared are belonging to the molecule or atom, and these electron pair are held by the metal by coordinate bond. ठीक है, so such compound that contain complex ion are called coordination compounds, and in coordination compounds you have a complex. So coordination compounds are also referred as complex ions. क्या कहते हैं? complex ions भी इन्हें कहते हैं. And the branch of chemistry, basically the branch of inorganic chemistry that deals with such compounds, coordination compound is called as coordination chemistry. Now the types of complexes. Complexes can have a positive charge. So you may have cationic complex, that is the complex in which it has a positive charge. ठीक है? If the complex have a negative charge, such complex are called anionic. For example, FeCN6 4-, or certain complex may do not have any charge and they are neutral complex. For example, nickel tetracarbonate. So complexes can be cationic, anionic or neutral. Now we will discuss the term called as double salt and complex compound. Now double salt is formed by mixing simple salts in equimolar proportion. Here simple salts are mixed in different proportions, not equimolar. हर बार equimolar ही हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. Example, ferrous ammonium sulfate called as FAS or more salt, which is obtained by mixing ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate and water of crystallization occur. So this is an example. ठीक है. So this is obtained by mixing ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate to get ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is a double salt. And here the example that we have is potassium ferrocyanide, which is obtained by mixing potassium cyanide and ferric cyanide. Now, this double salt, when you take in aqueous solution, so when you take a double salt in aqueous solution, it will ionize completely. तो डबल सॉल्ट क्या करते हैं, जब आप इनको एक्वस सोल्यूशन इनका फॉर्म करते हैं, they will ionize into the ions from which it is being obtained, and here you will get all the ions obtained जिनसे ये बने थे. So these compound loses the identity in aqueous solution, whereas if you take a coordination compound in aqueous solution, they will ionize into complex ion, but the complex ion is not further ionizing, so it will retain its property. The coordination complex or compound retain the property in aqueous solution. On the contrary, जो डबल सॉल्ट है ये वाटर में पूरी तरह से आयनाइज हो जाते हैं और अपनी आइडेंटिटी को लूज कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड एंड अ डबल सॉल्ट. Now we shall see few terms related to coordination compounds that we need to understand. So the first term that we need to understand is what is the meaning of the term ligand and the central metal atom or ion. ये क्या होता है? तो compounds, जो coordination compounds होते हैं या complex होते हैं, you have a ligand and a central metal atom. So what are ligands? Ligands are basically electron donors, and these are either atoms or neutral molecules or anionic species which have electron pair to donate. They are capable of donating electron pair either due to the presence of lone pair or these are anionic species. So such atom or molecules or anionic species that are capable of donating electron pair are called as ligand. And ligand is bonded to the central metal atom. The central metal atom or ion is capable of accepting electron pair and it forms a coordinate bond with ligands. So electron acceptors are central metal atom or ion and ligands are electron donor. So central metal atom or ion can also be termed as Lewis acids and ligand are electron pair donor, so they act as Lewis base. So electron pair donor are Lewis base, electron pair acceptor central metal is a Lewis acid. For example, in this complex for nickel tetracarbonyl. This nickel act as the central metal to which carbonyl ligand, carbon monoxide, is referred as carbonyl, and this is here acting as a ligand. It is donating electron pair, so this is a ligand. Now you may have another example. Here this cobalt act as central metal ion and ammonia molecule act as ligand. So ligand are coordinating with the central metal atom by coordinate bond, and the central metal atom is accepting electron pair. So this is about ligand and central metal atom. Now this ligand are classified into different class. So now we are going to see about ligands. So classification of ligands. The first classification of ligands is based on the number of donor atom. लिगैंड के पास कितने डोनर एटम है और इसको कहते हैं एज डेंटिसिटी. The more the number of donor atom, the more is the denticity. Denticity is the number of ligating or coordinating atom. Denticity refers to the number of coordinating or ligating atoms. कितने एटम लिगैंड की तरह ऐड कर मेटल से जुड़ रहे हैं या कितने कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं मेटल के साथ, उतने नंबर ऑफ एटम को डेंटिसिटी कहते हैं. सो बेस्ड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ डोनर एटम और बेस्ड ऑन डेंटिसिटी वी हैव डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लिगैंड. सो इन दिस द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी इज अ मोनोडेंटेट लिगैंड. मोनोडेंटेट और ऑल्सो रेफर्ड एज unidentate ligand. That means you have only one donor atom. For example, OH minus, Cl minus, Cn minus, SCN minus, NO2 minus, NH3 न्यूट्रल है, H2O ऑक्सीजन है, etc. So these have only one donor atom. Such ligands are called as monodentate ligand. ठीक है, तो ligand का ही क्लासिफिकेशन हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. I am just erasing now. For example, if you have a complex PtCl4 2 minus, so platinum is coordinating with how many chlorine atom? 4 chlorine atom and the overall charge is 2 minus. So एक क्लोरीन एक ही बॉन्ड बना रहा है तो कितने कोऑर्डिनेटिंग बॉन्ड्स, कितने एटम है? 4 एटम है. सो हियर दीज आर ऑल मोनोडेंटेट यूनिडेंटेट लिगैंड है. अनदर एग्जांपल CO NH3 6 SO4 you may have cobalt coordinating with 6 NH3 group. And this is a octahedral complex, 6 ligands है इसीलिए. So here again N is only bonding, तो 6 N bond कर रहे हैं. So the denticity is 1, only one donor atom is there in NH3. So monodentate का मतलब है उस ligand के पास एक ही donor atom है. Second category is a bidentate or didentate ligand. That means how many donor atom? A ligand will have 2 donor atom. Example, oxalate ion OX से डिनोट करते हैं, which is CO, C double bond O minus, O minus. So these are the coordinating group. तो एक ही लिगैंड में दो डोनर एटम है और ये है डोनर एटम. तो दो डोनर एटम है, so it is a bidentate ligand. Another example is ethane 1,2-diamine or also called as ethylene diamine. En से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, which is CH2 CH2 NH2 NH2. Now this I am going to write NH2 NH2. N के पास लोन पेयर है और ये दोनों N डोनर एटम की तरह एक्ट करेंगे and they will form coordinate bond. So the two N atom here act as a donor atom, here two oxygen atom act as a donor atom. तो एक ही लिगैंड में दो डोनर एटम प्रेजेंट है. So such ligands are bidentate or didentate ligand. Next is tridentate ligand, यानी कि तीन डोनर एटम होंगे. Three donor atom. For example, you have NH2, CH2, NH, CH2, CH2, NH2. तो यहाँ पे एक N, दूसरा N, तीसरा N. तो तीनों N कोऑर्डिनेट करने के रिस्पेक्ट में है the three. So this is an example of a tridentate ligand, di-En, which is N2-aminoethyl ethane 1,2-diamine. ethane 1,2-diamine का NH2 का एक H CH2 CH2 NH2 यानी कि 2-aminoethyl से रिप्लेस हो जाता है. Then you get a tridentate ligand where 3 N atom are the donor, and this is a complex in which PT is bonded to one di-En and one Cl. तो तीन डोनर एटम तो यहाँ पर आ गए और एक डोनर एटम Cl है. तो देखो NH2 CH2 CH2, तो NH2 CH2 CH2, then NH is coordinating, then CH2 CH2 NH2. So you have how many ring being formed? जब दो या दो से ज्यादा एटम लिंक होते हैं, you get ring over here, and such rings are called as chelates. So when ligand are forming ring, such compounds are called as chelating ligands. और ये कॉम्प्लेक्स चीलेट्स भी कहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिंग बन जाती है लिगैंड जब उनके साथ बॉन्ड बनाता है तब. So this is about a tridentate ligand. So more and more number of donor atom, more will be the denticity. So these are generally referred as polydentate ligand. So now in more detail we will learn a very important ligand, polydentate ligand में हम specifically कहेंगे we have more than two donor atom. The ligand which have more than two are polydentate ligand. A common example is EDTA, in which we have 6 donor atom, 4 oxygen and 2 nitrogen. This is oxygen and N is for nitrogen atom. And EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion. So the structure is CH2 CH2 N N CH2 C double bond O O minus acetate group है CH2 C double bond O minus. तो ये डोनर एटम, ये डोनर एटम, ये डोनर एटम, ये डोनर एटम, CH2 C double bond O minus, ये डोनर एटम है CH2 C double bond O minus. So this is your donor atom. So 6 donor atom you have. So this is the structure of hexamethylene tetraacetate, which is EDTA, which is a very important polydentate ligand. Here we have 6 donor atom. Now we'll discuss the next type of ligand called as, तो donor atom कितने हैं उसके रिस्पेक्ट में तो हमने बता दिया, डेंसिटी कितनी है, how many ligand we have discussed that. Now the next type is ambidentate ligand. These are special ligands. Ambidentate ligands have more than one donor atom. इन ligands में एक से ज्यादा donor atom है, but only one atom is being linked at a time. है एक से ज्यादा डोनर एटम, बट एक ही एटम लिंक होने वाला है उनमें से. तो एम्बिडेंटेट मीन्स इट हैज मोर देन वन डोनर एटम, बट ओनली वन एटम इज गोइंग टू लिंक एट अ टाइम. Such ligands are called ambidentate ligands. For example, in this group, NO2, you may have N forming a coordinate bond or this oxygen forming a coordinate bond. So you have two donor atoms, but only one will link at a time. So if metal से N bond बना रहा है तो it is called नाइट्राइटो N, और अगर मेटल से ऑक्सीजन लिंक कर रहा है then it's called as nitrito O. So in this NO2 you have two donor atoms but only one is being linked at a time. Such ligands are called ambidentate ligand. Another example is SCN group. If S is being linked to the metal, it is thiocyaneto. और अगर नाइट्रोजन लिंक कर रहा है, it is isothiocyaneto. तो कौन लिंक कर रहा है? एक से ज्यादा डोनर एटम है SCN में, सल्फर या फिर नाइट्रोजन. सल्फर लिंक करता है इट्स thiocyaneto, अगर नाइट्रोजन लिंक करता है इट्स isothiocyaneto. Similarly, you have a group CN. If metal is bonded to C, it's cyano. If N is being bonded to metal, it is isocyano. So such ligands which have more than one donor atom but एक वक्त पे एक ही लिंक होता है, such are called as ambidentate ligand. Next is chelating ligands. Chelating ligands are ligands which are having two or more than two donor atoms. Ligands which have two or more than two donor atoms and they form ring with the metal. Such ligands are called chelating ligand and the complex formed is called as a chelate. And whenever you have chelating ligands or chelate, the complex become highly stable. So this is one of the important things that you need to learn. Chelating complex काफी ज़्यादा stable होता है क्योंकि उनमें ring form होती है. So ligand in which you have two or more than two donor atoms and when they are bonded to the metal, a ring is being formed and such ligands are called chelating ligand and the complex formed is called as a chelate and they are highly stable. For example, PTEN whole twice 4 plus. So यहाँ पर En का मतलब क्या है? NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. N कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा है मेटल के साथ. ये एक लिगैंड है तो एक साइकिल बन गई जिसमें दो डोनर एटम थे. ऐसे ही एक और लिगैंड है मेरे पास क्योंकि En कितनी बार रिपीट हो रहा है? 2 बार. तो NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. So again N is being linked over here और यहाँ पर भी साइकिल फॉर्म हो रहा है तो 2 रिंग बन रही है. So such a complex is chelate and the ligand which are forming ring are called as chelating ligands. So this is about ligands.